Hello friends, welcome to NCRT and NSS Solutions. So today we are studying on chapter 2 of Political Science, Diversity and Discrimination, Standard 6th. So let's start. Question number 1, match the following statements in the way that challenges stereotypes. There are given the table of the question. In first box of the table there is given a two surgeons were sitting down to the lunch when one of them made up a call on the mobile phone, and in before of that there is given one suffers from chronic asthma. B. The boy who won the drawing competition went to the dais. In front of that the given to become an astronaut, which he did. C. One of the fastest athletes in the world. 3. To speak with her daughter who had just returned from the school. D. She was not She was not that well off but had a dream. And on front of that given 4, on a wheelchair to collect these prize. So here is given the answer. It means like that is question like a match the pairs. So A, question A, that two surgeons, that is matched to B, to speak with her daughter who had just returned from the school. This is the answer, and here is given the statement of this is the statement. Here is given the statement of that answer. Now B, the boy who won the drawing competition went to the dais. Its answer is fourth, on a wheelchair to collect his prize. And its statement is given here. C number, one of the fastest athletes in the world. Its answer is number 1, that suffers from chronic asthma. This challenges that. And this is a statement from the challenges to in sports. D number, she was not that well off but had a dream. So its answer is number 2, and there is given the statement of that answers also from the challengers to prove themselves. So we can start question number 2. Question number 2, how can the stereotype that girls are a burden on their parents affect the life of a daughter? Imagine this situation and list at 5 different effects that this stereotype can have on the way daughters get treated in the house. So its answer is, when we fit all persons of a particular group into one fixed image, we create a stereotype. Stereotype is based on prejudices. Such stereotypes hurt the feelings of others and can result in misunderstanding and conflicts between various communities and groups. Second point, the stereotype thinking that girls are burden on their parents. Parents means mom and dad. On their parents will affect their life and shatter their dreams and goals. It also creates a feel of being inferior to others and arouse negative feel among them. There are given 5 different effects of stereotype are. One is, they are not given quality education as they are not allowed to join the school or college. Second, they are not given nutritious diet and this may affect their health and growth. Third number, they are not allowed to enjoy her childhood. They may be forced in marriage at early age and forced to do a household chores. They are not given proper care, love, and affection of the family and not allowed to go out and enjoy with their friends. It is very dirty and very, I have no word for that. 5 number, their issues are not properly addressed and proper medical care is not given when she falls ill. Question number 3. What does the Constitution say with regard to equality? Why do you think it is important for all peoples to be equal? Answer is, there were different kinds of inequalities existed in India before getting independence when India became a nation in 1947. Our leaders were concerned about this inequality, so they set out to prepare a constitution for India and took great care to remove inequalities and discrimination of all kinds. This equality of all persons is seen as a key value that unites us all as Indians. With regards to equality, the constitution that said that point 1 Point 1 is all Indians are equal before law and everyone has equal rights and opportunities. People are free to choose the kind of work they wish to do. Government jobs are open to all peoples. Right to equality for poor and other such marginal communities. Untouchability is seen as a crime and has been legally abolished by law. It is important for all peoples to be equal so that all of them have the freedom to follow their region, speak their language, celebrate their festivals, and express them freely. Respect for diversity can only be achieved by equality. Respect for diversity can only be achieved by equality. Question number 4. Sometimes people make prejudiced comments in your presence. We are often not in a position to do anything about this because it is difficult and say something right then and there. Divide the class into groups and each other groups discuss what they could do in one of the following situations. A friend begins to tease a classmate because he is poor. It's not right. B. You are watching TV with your family and one of them makes a prejudicial comment about a particular religious community. C. Children in your class refuse to share their food with a particular person because they think she is dirty. Someone tells you a joke that makes fun of a community because of their accent. E. Some boys make remarks about girls not being able to play games as well as them. Discuss in class what the different group has suggested for the above situations and also talk about the problems that can be come up when raising the issue. Answer. Students should make 5 groups and discuss the issues among themselves. A. We should try to convince that being a poor is not a crime nor a matter of laughter. Hence, he should not tease his classmate. Instead, he should learn to respect the personality and social background of each other. B. India is a country known as harmony and secularism. This is our power and we should not hurt the sentiments and belief of other community. C. We should not consider someone inferior to us only because of their appearance. We should treat all children as unique in their own, and we should be friendly with all children. D. People in each region have their own language and accent. We should not make fun or joke of their accent and learn to respect it. E. Everyone is unique in their own way. They have their own physique and may not be good in all things. We should convince those boys that girls are no way less efficient, that boys are should encourage them. So guys, if you like this video, then please like this video. Thank you.